So we're going to be in a forearm plank position, forearms on the ball, then just raising up from the hips with the abs pulled in, and we're going to hold for 1 minute, just maintaining that position. Now raise up from the hips, keeping the shoulders right over the elbows, abs pulled in, body straight. So don't let the hips drop, keep a straight line across the body. Now if you want something a little more challenging, you can roll back and forth on the ball, or you can just hold, keeping the abs pulled in the whole time. I say you may see some shaking from us in this exercise. Manny and I did a TRX workout yesterday, which we're still feeling this morning. But just hold that position, keep your elbows right over the shoulders. Don't let the body touch the ball, just the forearms, keeping the abs pulled in.